Hey there. So today, I'm diving deep into Kajabi to see if it's really worth your time and money in 2024. Let's find out together, shall we? Kajabi has been making waves as one of the top platforms for online course creation and digital marketing. And as we roll into 2024, I think it's the perfect time to take a closer look at what it's got to offer. Now, I know as online entrepreneurs, we've all been in that place, the one where it feels like you're drowning in a sea of tools and platforms just to keep your business running. It's like every time you turn around, there's another tool you need to learn, another platform you need to master. You've got website builders, email marketing software, payment gateways. The list never seems to end. And honestly, it's exhausting trying to keep everything consistent across the board. That's where Kajabi comes in, waving its hands and promising to simplify everything so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business and connecting with your audience. Sounds pretty great, right? But the big question is, can it actually deliver on that promise? So, let's get into it. Kajabi's main selling point is that it's an all-in-one solution. It's designed to bring everything you need into one place, so you're not juggling a dozen different tools that don't always play nice together. I mean, who doesn't want that? Imagine having one platform where you can create and host your online courses, market your content, sell your products, and manage your entire business without having to jump around from one tool to the next. Now, I've got to say, Kajabi's features are pretty impressive. Right off the bat, the user interface is super intuitive. You don't need to be a tech wizard to figure it out, which is a big win in my book. Creating online courses? Total breeze. They've got customizable templates and a drag-and-drop builder that lets you get right to the good stuff, your content, without getting bogged down in design details. And when it comes to marketing, Kajabi's got your back. It's got a built-in email marketing system, pipelines, and automation tools that can really take your marketing game to the next level. No need to juggle separate email marketing software. Everything you need is right there, ready to go. But here's where Kajabi really shines, in my opinion, the pricing. Unlike a lot of other platforms out there that like to nickel and dime you for every little feature or user, Kajabi keeps it simple with an all-inclusive pricing plan. You know exactly what you're getting. And as your business grows, Kajabi grows right along with you. Plus, they've got a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out without feeling like you're taking a huge risk. And hey, if you're curious and want to give it a go, we've got a 30-day trial link in the description, so definitely check that out. Now let me give you a real-life example of how Kajabi has impacted a successful online entrepreneur. Ever heard of Amy Porterfield? Of course you have. She's a well-known online business coach, and she uses Kajabi to host her online courses and membership sites. With Kajabi, Amy's been able to scale her business to 7 figures, and her students absolutely love the seamless learning experience it provides. It's easy to see how Kajabi played a role in that success, right? But Amy's not the only one. Thousands of entrepreneurs, just like you, have used Kajabi to launch and grow their online businesses. From coaches and consultants to authors and podcasters, Kajabi's flexibility and customization options make it a perfect fit for anyone looking to build a strong online presence. So what's the verdict? Is Kajabi worth your time and money in 2024? I'd say absolutely. Its strengths far outweigh any weaknesses. And if you're serious about building a successful online business, Kajabi is definitely a worthwhile investment. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you used Kajabi before? What was your experience like? And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews and insights on the best online business tools. And again, if you want to give Kajabi a try, be sure to grab that 30-day trial using the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video.